What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for some trade recaps. Today I got my kitty here being a little bit of a suck, so gonna give her some pets but while I go over these trades. So it was really just one stock that I was trading today. That was ALF. Good old Alfie. I don't know if you guys remember the old show. ALF used to be a great show. It's like alien, like almost looked like a teddy bear or something, but I don't know. It was funny. He was like very crude and vulgar. So it was a funny show, good show. But anyway, today the stock ALF, it was looking like another runner. It was going to be another runner. I know the other day I had the same kind of idea on it, and I shorted it out of the gates because it kind of had this same descending pattern that I drew. So today I was looking at this kind of pop in the pre-market, and then I was building up these kind of areas of resistance and support, and I was looking to see whether they were going to hold coming into the open. And as you can see, the kind of just before the open, the support level on the bottom kind of broke, and then this top resistance level formed, and then as we broke down, we started to form a new resistance level. So these levels here are the kind of descending triangles of resistance, right, that I'm trying to work off of. So as I'm taking these trades, it's kind of understanding that at first the VWAP is my kind of target for where I'm shorting this, looking for the continuation because it just had such a big sell-off. I was just looking for that continuation, and we were able to get some really nice continuation there, all the way from the 430s down to the 389s. So that was a nice trade there. And then as it kind of popped back up, I was getting back in, and this was kind of one of those where I probably shouldn't have been so aggressive getting back in. I should have let it come back up to the VWAP, but I thought maybe because of this big sell-off that we'd get continuation. But either way, I covered some of my shares for not necessarily a loss, but like a little bit of a break-even trade here, just to kind of get out and be able to average back in when it popped up, which I did. So here up into the VWAP, this 420 area, and this 420 area has been resistance all day. As you can see, it just came up and broke that area, so now this might actually be like a nice long trade, unless it just gives up in this kind of area, because this is where everybody's shorting it. But it did break that top that was holding all day, and that's one of the reasons why I got out of this trade. I was kind of looking to short it, and I was looking to hold these, hoping it would break that 390 low and give us kind of a push back down towards the opening price. But unfortunately, it there was a lot of buyers in here, and there was a lot of support, so that's why I was taking my profits as they were kind of given to me, and then kind of getting back in on these pops, hoping that I could hold them for a break of the low. But when it kind of came back down, as it was coming down into this $4 and it was kind of breaking $4, I was taking profits in these areas, right? Like as it breaks down, I'm taking profits, and then I'm taking profits, and then I'm kind of sometimes reshorting, but a lot of times just getting out into those pops and holding really small size for a break. And you can see once it broke this kind of $4 level that it was kind of holding as resistance here, I was all out. So that was a little bit of a loss on my last shares there, but overall I'm up about $45-50 on the stock after all these trades, so it's not a bad day. That's about basically five. Every day last week was green, today is green, so that's about 6 green days in a row. So can't really be mad at that. I'm pretty happy with that. I might come back in the afternoon, do a little bit more trading. I know on Friday I came back and basically broke even on a stock. Might have been Skills, I'm not sure, but either way, it was basically break even. And yeah, today we are up $50 again, so basically 6 days in a row without a losing day, 5 of them nice winners, 1 of them being break even. So that's not a bad way to go. You can see this ALF rejected that 430 level now. So this 420 has been the resistance level basically the whole day. So this up here being the 430 top that I was shorting at before. So this could very easily just be rolling over again, and it might be a good short, but I don't want to be taking my, I'm going to take my profits and run, and don't want to be taking this stock for granted because it is a low float stock. It can run. So I was really just looking to catch the momentum. But now that this is kind of trend has reversed, we can now see that this might start holding higher lows and might start giving us kind of a move towards the upside. So we can kind of draw out this kind of ascending pattern here, right? And if this holds, then, you know, we're obviously going to see this pattern break, because you can see that this descending pattern from the top is still holding. Obviously that's a little off, it'd be more like up here, but that resistance level is still holding, right? So if that resistance level breaks and this support level holds, then it'll be a reversal of the trend, and this will be a long trade instead of a short. But as this was breaking down and was showing us that it was weak below the VWAP, that's why I was shorting it. So if you want to, you know, learn anything from this trade, the thing you got to understand is that these kind of wedge patterns will tell you the two different directions, the support and the resistance, and then you'll see which one holds up and which one breaks. And then once that breaks, you want to be following the trend. So you want to be trading with the trend, but you want to be careful for the trend to reverse, right? So you want to be cognizant when it's flushing down into these kind of support areas, and you want to be covering, and then you want to be kind of reshorting if it's showing you weakness. But you really want to be, you know, I was a little too aggressive reshorting, I think, in some of these areas, and then other areas I wish I would have shorted more. So I think like right up here, like I wish I would have, like I thought maybe this was going to break higher because it was consolidating, but I really should have just been shorting it to get into this 420, and then that would have been a really nice trade. But hindsight's 2020. I'm still green on it, so that's all that matters. Hopefully you guys had a good day trading. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of this video. I know sometimes it's a little kind of all over the place, but I try to be consistent, try to show you guys just my trades and kind of what my thought processes were. If you guys are trading crypto, I know Dogecoin kind of took a dump today. I said it probably would after the SNL. It's kind of the buy the hype, sell the news kind of thing. So we'll see what happens, but or buy the rumor, sell the news, whatever you want to call it. But we'll see. It might bounce back. Don't, you know, I don't know if I'd sell necessarily if I'm holding, but if you're, you know, if you bought in at like 60 or 70 at the highs, but it is what it is. I'm in Cardano right now, and Ethereum's going crazy, so I'm making lots of money in Cardano and Ethereum. Algorand I think is gonna pop as well soon, so that might be another coin that's kind of lagging behind. Little snippet at the end here, guys that follow to the end. You know, look at those altcoins. Cardano and Algorand are my two favorites. I'm loading into those. Cardano is probably at its high right now, so I wouldn't be buying, you know, unless you're only looking for a move to like 250. So, but, you know, I'm already up almost double. Same with Ethereum. I'm up almost triple. So 300% is good, but I'm holding for the long term, baby. That's all I got to say about ETH. I might sell a little bit, but I'm not selling nowhere near the majority of my position. I might cash out for like 1,000, but that's only like a quarter of my position, not even. Right? All right, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.